preschool program is unique in that we ensure every child is working at an appropriate pace and level for their academic, social, and emotional development.
It's 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Tuesday, September
22nd.
22nd is my birthday. What day of the week is it, boys and girls? Good, Emily. It is. It's Friday. All right, go ahead and take a look outside. I want you to investigate your weather, okay? What does it look like out there? I have beautiful sunshine today. Oh, we've got clouds. Okay, now is it warm? A little bit warmer than it has been and cloudy? Or is it still very cold and cloudy? Raise your hand, I want to know. What's it like, Taylor?
It's warm and it stopped raining.
Oh, that's wonderful. 6, we need our cups and we need the food coloring and we need the paper towels right now. Once you have your cups filled with water, you're going to put blue food coloring in one. Then you're going to put red food coloring in one. Bless you. It is now. What does it look like? Can you tell? Taylor, what'd you say?
Purple.
It's purple. And then this one right here that was clear. What is this one, Kritika?
Green.
It turned green. What letter we're learning about this week? What is our letter of the week? Yes, you're right, Kritika. Good job. We are learning about the letter K. I want to hear, what sound does K make? That's right. Yes, make that sound for me. Can you think of a word that starts with K?
Kite.
Kite, like this one. Very good. Taylor, can you think of a word that has k at the beginning?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo, like this little guy. Very good. Yes, sir. What were you going to tell us?
King.
King, yes. You would need a nice big crown on your head for the king. Very good.
I got all of these seeds. You can take all of these seeds and you can continue to plant so we can start our life cycle, because remember right now we're going from seed to sprout. So next week when you come back from fall break, I'm hoping we start to get a little sprout. We'll see.
Our preschool and pre-K students are able to work at a level from that of a typical 3-year-old all the way up into the 2nd grade level. So if your child is just working on identifying letters, maybe not even quite there yet, perhaps they're already emerging readers or even beginning to read themselves, our preschool and pre-K programs are adaptable to meet the needs of your child to ensure that they are learning something new each and every day.